Imagine getting into an accident tomorrow and having zero proof it wasn't your fault. Scary, right? That's exactly why thousands of drivers across the US are installing dashcams right now. Today, I'm breaking down 3 of the best options, including the powerful 70mai A810S 4K Dual Dashcam front and rear, so you can protect your car, your money, and your peace of mind. Product 1, 70mai A810S 4K Dual Dashcam, best overall. Let's start with the top-tier option, the 70mai A810S. This thing is seriously impressive. You're getting true 4K recording in the front, plus a rear camera, and the night footage? Super clear thanks to Starvis 2 HDR. Even in low light, you can actually read license plates, which is huge if anything happens. It also has AI motion detection and 24/7 parking mode, so even when your car is parked, it's watching. Add in GPS, Wi-Fi, and optional 4G remote access, and you can literally check your car from anywhere. Why people in the US love it? If you drive daily, do Uber, or park on busy streets, this gives you full protection. Pros: crystal clear 4K footage. Excellent night vision. Smart security features. Cons: slightly expensive. 4G feature costs extra. Real customer vibe. Most buyers say the video quality is insane and it already helped them in real accident situations. Product 2, 70mai A500S, best budget pick. Now, if you don't want to spend too much, the 70mai A500S is a solid choice. It records in 2.7K, which still looks really sharp for everyday driving. It uses a Sony sensor, so the video quality is reliable, especially during the day and decent at night. You also get ADAS features like lane departure warnings, plus built-in GPS and Wi-Fi so you can easily connect it to your phone. Why buy this one? Perfect for students, new drivers, or anyone who just wants a dependable dashcam without overspending. Pros: budget-friendly. Good video quality. Easy-to-use app. Cons: not full 4K. Smaller screen. Customer feedback. People love how simple and reliable it is, it just works without any hassle. Product 3, 4K plus 4K Dual Dashcam, best value deal. Now this one is all about value. You're getting 4K front and 4K rear recording, which is pretty rare at this price. Plus, it comes with a free 128GB memory card, so you don't have to buy extra storage. It also includes fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, wide-angle view, and 24-hour parking monitoring. Why it stands out? You get a full package, great quality plus accessories included. Pros: dual 4K recording. Free memory card included. Wide coverage. Cons: brand isn't as well known. App may not be as smooth. Customer feedback. Buyers say it's a great deal for the price, especially with everything included. Why you actually need a dashcam, real talk. Let's be honest, driving in the US isn't getting any easier. Accidents, insurance scams, hit and runs, they happen every day. And without proof, it often becomes your word versus theirs. That's where a dashcam comes in. What it does for you: records accidents as evidence. Protects your parked car, helps with insurance claims, gives you peace of mind. Who should get one? Uber/Lyft drivers, daily commuters, new drivers, families, road trip lovers. Final verdict: if you want the best overall protection, go with the 70mai A810S, no question. If you're on a budget, the A500S is a smart and reliable pick. And if you want the most value for your money, that 4K plus 4K bundle is hard to beat. At the end of the day, a dashcam isn't just another gadget, it's your backup when things go wrong. Call to action. Check out the links in the description to see current prices and deals. And trust me, it's way better to have a dashcam and not need it than need it and not have it.